Hi, I am Tarkeshwar Jha. I am basically from Bihar but presently living in Delhi. I have done 10th and 12th from Bihar School Examination Board Patna and graduate completed BTech in EC from WBUT Kolkata. One day I am searching an IT job. Then I got to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. Then I enrolled for 45 days on-job training program where I learned basic networking, CCNA, virtualization, Windows administration, Windows Server, ITIL, cyber security, many more things. After that, I got to selected in Incnotech Private Limited and MICROLAND company, where a salary package of 2.6 LPA and 3 LPA. So I am thankful for Priya ma'am, Sati ma'am, Nidhi ma'am, and Ganesh sir and whole Evision team. Thank you.